Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open and set up a Ko-fi account. So let's dive in. Now to get started, you want to open any browser and go to Ko-fi.com. And then once you're on the homepage, you want to click sign up for free at the top. Then from here, you should see several options to sign up. You can either sign up using your Twitter account, Google, Facebook, or your Twitch. Now in this case, let me go ahead and choose Google. All right, now I'm connected. Just go ahead and click confirm. And then from here, you need to choose whether you're going to be a creator or a supporter. So in this case, let me just go ahead and choose creator. And then you're going to choose right over here, how are you planning to earn? So choose which is applicable to you. Then hit continue. And then from here, you're going to have to pick your username. Once you're done, just click next. And then choose your profile picture. And same thing, once you're satisfied with the image, just go ahead and click next. And then you have to choose your interests right over here. So let me choose any right over here, then click next. All right, then go ahead and choose your display name and tell something about yourself. Click next. All right. And then from here, all you have to do is you can connect your PayPal or your Stripe account so you can actually receive payments. Just follow the on-screen steps to log in and confirm. And that's it. Your Ko-fi account is set up and you can now start sharing your page, accepting support, and building your creator income. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.